Hey guys, it's your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. And I am here to present the line dance, Spiritual Respiration. The song is Breathe. The artist is the FLOACIST. The choreographer is RHONDI HACKETT, aka the Professor of Excellence. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674.
Versus what you think. Sometimes your own assumptions are the ways that make you sink. Feeling down, it can be an addiction. Getting up can be filled with hesitations. It takes determination. Don't fall for the distractions. These attractions are the tugging on your soul, asking you to stay when you know you have to go. Know the things you know as your path is just your own. Lessons will be lessened if you listen to their fear. Hear your truth, keep it near. Refuse this illusion, if your destiny's not blessed, it's your time. No matter who came before you, don't let them weigh you down with the pain of their past. Shape your own mind. It's irrelevant if relevance is measured by the elements without bearing a reference to your own kind, earthling. You may find that we're living in an era that can't be defined. Who thought that this was the end? Who thought that the enemies would win? Who let paranoia turn them inside out? To know what this life's all about. Can you remember before anyone taught you to feel as if life it was never gonna treat you better than the lesser? But that was in the prequel. What about now? You took it in, so let it out. You gotta let it go so you can grow. You gotta let it go just breathe. You gotta let it go so you can grow. You gotta let it go just breathe. You can do anything you want to do, anything that your heart truly chooses. It may be a lonely journey, but it's yours, it's your purpose. You may have to leave some things behind. You may have to change your mind. You can't bring everybody with you, but they'll be better off for having known you.